Today we're going to learn about speed word problem. Let's say we have a problem like this. Tom and Henry have a bicycle race. Tom cycles at the speed of 12 miles per hour. Henry cycles at the speed of 16 miles per hour. If Henry lets Tom start the race 40 minutes before, how long will Henry take to catch up with Tom? Now, the problem states that Tom and Henry are having a bicycle race. So let's draw the road that they're having a bicycle race on. Let's say this is the road they're having a bicycle race on. Now, we know that Tom cycles at the speed of 12 miles per hour. So Tom's speed, T for Tom, S for speed, is equal to 12 miles per hour. And Henry cycles at the speed of 16 miles per hour. So Henry's speed is equal to 16 miles per hour. Now we know that Henry lets Tom start the race 40 minutes before him. So let's say that Henry, H for Henry, starts the race when Tom is right here. So Tom, T for Tom, when H starts, H for Henry. So, now, we know that Tom cycles at the speed of 12 miles per hour. So this means that in 1 hour, or 60 minutes, Tom travels 12 miles. Now, let's find the distance from where they start to where Tom is when Henry starts. So, we know that it took him 40 minutes to get to here. So, 40 minutes to get to how far? So, let's solve this proportion. To solve this proportion, or to find question mark, we need to cross multiply. That means we multiply 60 with question mark and 40 with 12. So we get 60 question marks are equal to 40 times 12. So this means that question mark is equal to 40 times 12 divided by 60, because we're undoing the multiplication here. And whatever we do on one side of the equation, we have to do on the other side of the equation. So 0 cancels out and 6 goes into 12 2 times. So we get 4 times 2, which is equal to 8 miles. So the distance from the starting point to where Tom is 8 miles. Now, we know that Henry is faster than Tom. So the difference in their speed is equal to 16 minus 12, which is equal to 4 miles per hour. So this means that for every hour, Tom will catch up by 4 miles. Now, we know that he travels at the same speed as Tom plus 4 miles per hour. So let's say that this is where Tom is. This is where Tom and Henry are when they meet. So, now we know that Henry travels at the same speed as Tom. So he'll travel this distance, but he also travels 4 miles per hour faster. So, he travels this distance plus this distance in some amount of time. So, we know that Tom and Henry both traveled this distance. So, we need to find out the time that it takes for Henry to travel this distance at the speed of only 4 miles per hour, which is how much faster he's going. So the time is equal to the distance, 8 miles from here to here, over the speed, which is 4 miles per hour. Which is 4 miles per hour. So because he's catching up 4 miles to Tom per hour. This is equal to 2 hours. So this means that it takes Henry 2 hours to catch up to Tom. Now let's verify if 2 hours is how long Henry will take to catch up with Tom. So, Henry's distance, let's use a different marker. Henry's distance, H for Henry, D for distance, is equal to the 2 hours times his speed, which is 2 hours times his speed, which is 16 miles per hour. Which is equal to 32 miles. Now let's verify if Tom travels the same distance. So Tom's distance is equal to the 8 miles head start plus the time taken after that, which is 2 hours, times his speed, which is 12 miles per hour. This is equal to 8 plus 24, which is equal to 32 miles. So this means that Tom's distance is also 32 miles. So this means that the answer to this problem, which is how long will Henry take to catch up with Tom, is 2 hours. So Henry will take 2 hours to catch up with Tom. Today we learned about speed word problem. Thank you for watching this video.